Mother Informed Beauties, your EuniyceMari here, and so today I'm going to be giving you guys 10 sexy beauty tips for Valentine's Day or date night or anything like that. You can use these at any time that you just want to feel a little extra sexy, and they're just some key tips that are going to help you to prepare for a date or prepare for a night with a special someone. So if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is EuniyceMari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIY, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bells so you're notified when I upload, and if you like what I do on my channel, give your girl a big thumbs up and share me with the world. Okay, so Valentine's Day is tomorrow, okay, and I was gonna do a makeup tutorial for you guys, but I thought I'd do something that was a little bit different. I have so many of those here on my channel, so I'm gonna give you guys some sexy beauty tips for V-Day, date night, and like I said, you can use this whenever. It doesn't have to just be for Valentine's Day. It can be any time that you're going to be going on a date with a special someone and you want to look, feel, smell good, okay? So the first thing first, of course, is hygiene, girl. You gotta get into a bath or a shower and just kind of like pull it all together. Okay, so if you shower, you want to use a moisturizing soap. You want to keep that skin nice and supple, you know, so that when they you know, your skin is nice and soft. I'm a fool, but you get what I'm saying, right? So when you all soft, you good to go. Also too, if you're taking a bath, you want to put probably a couple of herbs in there. You want to put some oils. You can use bath bombs, like just anything that's just going to help to contribute to not only your cleanliness, but just making you relax. And just, you know, going on dates and all that, or Valentine's Day can be stressful for some, you know, especially when you want to look good. So just take a moment before you go and just chill out, relax, get some music going, get some wine flowing while you in that bathtub or while you getting ready, girl. So first thing first is hygiene. You want to make sure that you are bathed and cleaned, okay, all of the crevices, all right? Tip number 2 is a face mask. So you want to make sure that you can prep the skin for your makeup. So use a face mask. You can use a 10-minute, a 5-minute face mask, especially if you're in like the bathtub. You can do that at the same time. Just put one on. It can be African black soap face mask. It can be a bentonite clay face mask. Anything that's going to help to just get that skin prepped for makeup application. Number 3, exfoliate. You want to make sure that, like I said, you are... okay, this is going to be the smooth, okay? You want to make sure that your skin is all the way around smooth. So not only shower and cleanse and use a moisturizing soap, but you also want to get in there and scrub. Exfoliate your arms, your legs, even your face. Make sure skin everywhere is smooth to the touch, okay? Especially if you're going to be wearing a dress or, you know, your arms out. You want to make sure everything is smooth, no dry, patchy spots. Girl, you got to be smooth and sexy, okay? So definitely make sure you exfoliate the body and the face, okay? Next thing is hair removal. So whether you wax, sugar, shave, or laser, you want to make sure that the hair is gone, okay? Underarms, Brazilian if you think you're gonna get lucky that night. Legs, okay? Lip, chin, eyebrows. Make sure everything that you go and get removed, or if you do it yourself, you do it, okay? So making sure that you have no hair in areas that you don't want to have hair, so that you can feel and look your best, okay? And something about after getting a wax, your skin just feels so smooth and you feel like so good. So yes, hair removal is key. Next thing is moisturize. So you can't bathe, exfoliate, and not moisturize. So you want to make sure that you're moisturizing your entire body. Put on some shea butter, put on some lotion, put on some cocoa butter, put on some coconut oil. Make sure your skin is just glowing. It's going to help to add that glow to your skin. So when your boo see you or whoever you with see, they're going to be like, oh girl, you glowing, okay? So make sure you moisturize up. Make sure you moisturize your face. That's also going to prep that face before you do any makeup, all right? So moisturize, okay? All right, so the next one is makeup. So you want to wear makeup that is sexy, okay? Now, makeup you can play anyway. So like, for example, what I have on now. I have on a basic eyebrows, basic eye, no eyeshadow, just some mascara, a little bit of blush on the cheeks. and a red lip as a statement piece. Usually red is more of a sexy color, so you know, you probably want to go for a little bit of a red lip, but if you ain't into the red lips, you can always go with a nude or just some plain old nice lip gloss, okay? But it's all about what makes you feel comfortable. Makeup is so universal. You can make makeup look so good, but you don't want to do too much on a date, but you don't want to do like nothing. So a nice lightly natural beat face, I say, is preferable for like a night out with your boo, you know, like, you know, so as long as you got a little bit of a beat going, girl, you good, okay? Okay. All right, so next thing is hair, okay? So you want to do something nice with your hair. And like I said, with this can go, you know, anyway. If you have braids, you can wear your hair something like this. If you want to put it up into a ponytail, you can wear it up in a ponytail. That's really nice. If you happen to have straighter hair, you can do like an Ariana Grande ponytail, like her high ponytail. That's really sexy. You can wear your hair down. You can wear your hair in a twist. You can do it in a cute little bun with a bang. Like, there's so many ways that you can wear your hair. As long as your hair looks nice and put together, you can wear your hair pretty much however you want. Usually people go for curls. I notice more so when they go on dates and stuff, but you can do whatever you want with your hair on a date as long as it looks nice and put together, okay? Next is outfits. So outfits are not, well, I guess it's a part of the beauty tip, because I mean, outfits make the look, all right? You can be nice hair, nice makeup, smelling good, looking good, all that, but if your outfit is not put together, then it kind of just doesn't complete the look, right? So heels, a nice little push-up bra, girl, what? Okay, a nice little dress, maybe a midi dress. I wouldn't say really like a mini dress, like a mini skirt, because you know, you want to still be like classy, you know, unless, you know, you're trying to be out all night to get lucky, I guess. But yeah, so you just want to make sure that you're wearing something that you feel sexy in, like some heels, a nice dress, a little push-up bra, you know, to get them girls. Hey, whatever makes you feel sexy, wear it, okay? Certain colors too, like a red dress or something like that, that also makes you look sexy, and it can make you feel sexy. All right, next is perfume. So perfume is like the round off after you done shower, bathe, exfoliated, moisturize, all of that, got your lovely little waxing or shaving, whatever it is you do. Seal the deal with a nice perfume. You want something, I would say, more so that's warm scent, nothing that's too overpowering or too fruity or anything of that sort. Like, you just want a nice light sexy scent to where it's like, like, what is that? Like, you smell good, you know, like a little something, like a little grab or a little touch, like, but you want a sexy subtle scent, you know, nothing that's too fruity, I would say, or even too florally. You don't want to smell like your great grandma or anything like that, but just something that's really sexy and light, okay? And lastly, you might want to do this part though before you get to like the perfume and all that, but a mani and a pedi, okay? So of course, same thing. If you're going to do the whole shebang, you want to get your nails and your toes done, okay? So you can round off that look. Unless you're not wearing any open toe shoes or whatever, you can just get your nails done. Simple polish will work. Even if you do a mani and pedi at home, that works. Just throw some polish on. It can be a very nude tone like what I have here, a nice little pink tone. It can be something that maybe is red, or a French tip is a classic. You can never go wrong with that. But it's whatever that makes you feel comfortable. Do it, okay? And that's one of the things, is that when you're getting ready to go out for a night out, or just to look sexy, and feel good, beauty is all about doing those steps that make you feel 10 times better, that boost your confidence, okay? So hopefully these are some great tips to any of you guys out there who is going to be going out with your boos on Valentine's Day, or just across the board. If you have a Saturday like date, or you're just going to go out, these are just some tips that you can put together, or that you can do to make you feel your sexiest and look your sexiest, okay? With that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.